That was it.
Yeah, man. Right side. Rainy day going to the studio. Yeah, so guess who I was coming over on?
Who?
Chanel.
When?
I don't know. I spoke to her and shit. She said, "Oh my God, Mikey, I miss you, baby." I said, "I know you did."
See, it's live. Won't get money tipped today. It's live out here.
How did you see the police up there?
This how I be in the hood all day for real. Look at this shit. Hot as shit out here, man.
Look at
this shit.
Look at
This shit, man. And out here. Car crash, Route 40 Charlie Factor.
Car crash, Route 40 Charlie Factor. Hey, yo.
Living like a trap star in the fucking rain, y'all. 24 bottles of piff, I get the green, y'all. Roll it up, roll the fucking piff on the mic, nigga. Messing with on, about to have the tight nigga. Stop it. Stop it. How you stop? Get that 2 times.
Yeah, you stop. Hey there. Yeah, yeah. Cross over there. I don't know. Yeah, we can. Oh, shit.